Microcom Model 485TC ticket printer is the ideal choice for printing tickets, labels, and wristbands on demand in your box office. Our printer is a modern replacement for your old ticket printer. The touchscreen puts the features and benefits at your fingertips. The 485TC is a compact unit designed to save space in your box office. Our ticket printers are compatible with your box office software system, and you can also use our printer with other programs on your Windows computer, print PDF files, and many other common formats. Visit our website for more information and helpful resources.